Hi all. Today up to essay 1 we have done. Okay. So from 1 से start कर रही हूँ मैं today. Beehive book lesson number 1 MCQ and grammar. Okay. Beehive book of Beehive. MCQ that means multiply. The dash has penned the story the fun they had. So what are they? So Ruskin Bond, Isaac Asimov, Mukraj Anand and Anton Chekhov. So answer is there Isaac Asimov. Margie wrote about a real book in her diary on 17 May 2157, 15th May 2157, 17th May 1257 and 15th May 1257. So 17th May 2157. What is meant by crinkly? Very yellow in color, almost torn, with many folds or lines, are very thin pages. So very many folds or line, wrinkle. Okay. Number 4. How old were Margie and Tommy? 10 and 12 years, 11 and 13 years, 13 and 11 years, 11 and 12 years. So 11 and 13 years. 11 and 13 years. How old are Margie and Tommy? From where did Tommy find the real book? Shelf, cupboard, basement and attic. So the answer is the attic. Answer is the attic. What was the real book about? What was the real book about? History, school, geography, family. The real book about the school. The mechanical teacher gave Margie test after test in history, mathematics, geography and English. The answer is there geography. Okay. The country inspector smiled at Margie and gave her a ball, a sweet, a doll, an apple. The answer is there an apple. Margie's mechanical teacher was dash, which was incorrect. A large, black and beautiful. Okay. A big screen on which all lessons were shown, on which the questions were asked. The answer is there a large, black and beautiful. A large, black and beautiful. Okay. Margie always had to write her homework in a punch code that they made her learn when she was dash years old. 5, 6, 7, 4. The answer is there 6. Answer is there 6. Okay. Who was Margie's mother? Mrs. Andrade, Mrs. John, Mrs. Nuns. So Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones. Okay. The country inspector graded up and showed up to the average dash level. 7 years, 6 years, 10 years, 9 years. So answer is there 10 years. Answer is there 10 years. Answer is there 10 years. Okay. Then Tommy's mechanical teacher was taken away for nearly a fortnight, week, decade and month. So answer is there month. Tommy's mechanical teacher was taken away because the dash sector had blanked out completely. English, geography, history, mathematics. So answer is there history. Margie's mother said the mechanical teacher had to be adjusted to fit the dash of each boy and girl. Effort, time, mind, skill. Answer is there mind. Where was Margie's school room? Next to the bedroom, near the garden, next to the kitchen, next to the family room. So next to the bedroom. The mechanical teacher was waiting for Margie at the same time every day except Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, only Saturday, some Saturday and Sunday. The answer is there Saturday and Sunday. Answer is there Saturday and Sunday. Margie's mother said that little girls learn better if they learn from one teacher, they learn at home, they learn at regular hours, they learn all along. The answer is there they learn at regular hours. Okay. In arithmetic, Margie's mechanical teacher was giving her a lesson on dash, division of fractions, addition of proper fraction, division of integers or proper integers. The answer is there addition of proper fraction. The children in the old school learn the same thing so that they, okay, the children in the old school learned the same thing so that they, ठीक है, could help one another with the homework, were able to talk about it. Both of A and B and none of the above. The answer is there, both of A and B. Okay, then you have to go. हम लोग इसके बाद सीखेंगे राइट रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, पोएम इज देयर. Question number 1, poem is there. Poem, the road not taken. Today I have to do only MCQ first. Okay, MCQ first. The poem The Road Not Taken is written by Robert Frost, Coates Kinney, Fosby Cary and William Butler Yeats. So answer is there, Robert Frost. The poem The Road Not Taken deals with डैश. क्या आंसर आएगा आपका? चॉइस अवेलेबल टू पीपल, चॉइस ऑफ लाइफ ऑफ और डेथ, चॉइस ह्यूमन बींग्स मेक ए क्रूटिकल मोमेंट्स ऑफ देयर लाइफ्स एंड व्हाट्स इन ए वुड. द आंसर इज देयर, चॉइस ह्यूमन बींग्स मेक इन क्रिटिकल मोमेंट्स ऑफ देयर लाइफ्स. ओके, रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट वाज डैश पोएट. रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट वाज डैश पोएट, ए ब्रिटिश, एन अमेरिकन, an Irish and a French. The answer is there, an American. Okay, the first road in the poem The Road Not Taken went behind the wall, in the garden, in the undergrowth, behind the yellow woods. The answer is there, in the undergrowth. Okay, number 5 में जाइए. The second road the poem, the second road in the poem The Road Not Taken had a better claim as dash. It was smooth and nice, it was newly made, it was grassy and wanted wear, and it was worn out. So the answer is there, it was grassy and wanted wear. Okay, number 6, the poet Robert Frost preferred the first road that bent in the undergrowth, the first road that he saw, the second road which is grassy and wanted hard, and the second road which was easier to travel on. The second road which was grassy and wanted wear. Okay, the poet got a chance to change roads. The poet got a chance to change the roads. Options are there: the next morning, late at night, at the moment he started traveling, when he was tired. The answer is there, the next morning. The next morning. Next, the poet Robert Frost was sorry as dash. He liked only road, or he had chosen the wrong path. He should walk on the fallen leaves, and he should be lost on the way. The answer is there, he should ever take the first road. The poet Robert Frost was sorry as dash. He liked only one road. He had to travel both roads. He could not travel on both the roads. And number 4 is there, he was confused. So answer, which is the answer? Answer is the, he could not travel on both the roads. Okay, next one. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Explain the quoted phrase. Finally, with a broken heart, sadly and unfortunately. The answer is there, sadly. According to the Frost, the two roads in the morning lay equal because they were newly made, they were full of grass, no steps had trodden block in the leaves, and they were well cemented. The answer is there, no steps had trodden black in the leaves. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. The word diverged means appeared, carved, branched off, or continued to branch off. The tone of the speaker in the first stanza is that of excitement, anger, hesitation and thoughtfulness and sorrow. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? thoughtfulness. अभी फिगर ऑफ स्पीच कराई थी मैंने. फिगर ऑफ स्पीच का आपको MCQ. आई होप यू लर्न द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. Two road driver in a yellow wood identified the figure of speech. Simile, metonymy, apostrophe and personification. The answer is there, metonymy. And sorry, I could not travel both. Which figure of speech? Alliteration, pun, litotes, metaphor. Answer, litotes. I already told you figure of speech, totally figure of speech depend on the poem. Okay? Because it was grassy and wanted where? Anastrophe, tautology, repetition. The answer is there, tautology. Answer is there, tautology. Both the morning equally lay, anastrophe, litotes, syndicacy and tautology. The answer is there, anastrophe. Answer is there, anastrophe. Okay? In lips no step had trodden black. Metaphor, trimess, litoless, apostrophe. Answer is there, litoless. Answer is there, litoless. Okay? And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. So answer, alliteration, internal rhyme, smiley and climax. तो इंटरनल राइम. ओके, फिर जाइए, जब भी आपको पोएम पढ़ना है यू विल फाइंड आउट द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. देन टुक द अदर जस्ट एज फेयर, क्लाइमेक्स, पर्सोनिफिकेशन, सिंडिकोट एंड एपोस्ट्रोफी. द आंसर इज द पर्सोनिफिकेशन. Oh, I kept the fast for another day. Hyperbole, interrogation, exclamation and alternation. So answer is there, exclamation. Yet knowing how way leads on the way. Repetition, apostrophe, alliteration, anastrophe. Answer is there, repetition. I shall be telling this with a sigh. क्या आएगा? Exclamation, oxymoron, interrogation and onomatopoeia. तो आंसर इज देयर, onomatopoeia. onomatopoeia. Okay. I look the road less traveled by and that has made the difference. Oxymoron, epigram, litotes. तो epigram. Okay. Epigram. जब भी आपको फिगर ऑफ स्पीच दैट टाइम यू थिंक जे इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द पोएम, रिलेटेड योर पोएम. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू गो. Lesson number 2. Multiply question from prose. The sound of music, whether Evelyn Glennie has been penned by James Crew, Phoebe Green, Ruskin Bond and Devard Dew. So, Devard. Evelyn Glennie was native was England, Wales, Ireland and Scotland. Answer there, Scotland. At the age of dash, she had got admission in the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. So, 16, 17, 8 or 14. Only 17 years old she was that time. Evelyn's hearing loss was noticed for the first time when she was dash years old. 8, 10, 12, 14. 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. So answer is there, only 8. When she was only 8 years old that time. Her mother understood that she cannot see and hear each and everything. Evelyn's hearing was severely impaired during the vitamin deficiency, genetic disorder, gradual nerve system, gradual nerve damage. So answer there, gradual nerve damage. Who spotted the potential in Evelyn for learning music? Isabel Jenim, Ron Forbes, Annie Richin and James Brett. Answer is Ron Forbes. Okay. Evelyn toured the United Kingdom with a dash orchestra, rock, country, youth or symphony. So answer is there, youth. By the time Evelyn was dash, she had decided to make music her life. 8, 11, 16, 17. The answer is there, 16. Okay. Evelyn scored the highest marks in which academy? The Royal Symphony of Music, Star Academy of Music, Philomelic Academy of Music or Royal Academy of Music? The answer Royal Academy of Music. At the end of her dash years course, Evelyn had captured most of the top 2 words. 3, 4, 2 or 5. The answer is there 3. Answer is there 3. Evelyn became the most sought after dash with the mastery of some 1,000 instruments. Xylophone player, solo performer, drum player or multi-percussionist. So multi-percussionist. Men with a busy beard gave trouble to Evelyn because she did not think much about them. She disdained them. She could not live rear them properly. Okay. Beside English, which 2 other languages did Evelyn manage to learn? French and German, French and Japanese, Japanese and Mandarin and French. The answer is there French and Japanese. Evelyn James was able to speak clearly as she was able to hear till she was dash years old. 11, 16, 17 and 8. So answer क्या आएगा 11. In dash she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society prestigious Soloist of the Year Award 1989, 1990, 1991 and 1992. The answer is there 1991. Who said God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary? Annie Richen, Ron Frost, Isabel Genuine and James Blake. The answer is there James Blake. Who said she is a singing, inspiring for the deaf children? Annie Richen, Ron Frost, Isabel Genuine and James Blake. The Annie Richen. Annie Richen. Okay. A percussionist is a person who plays drums, violin, guitar and flute. Drums. Answer is there drums. Okay. Abhi the Sound of Music part 2. The Senai of Bismillah Khan. Okay. The Senai of Bismillah Khan. Evelyn. That was the part 1 about Evelyn and second Bismillah Khan. Who banned the pungi in the royal residence? Emperor Aurangzeb, Emperor Humayun, Babar and Akbar. So Emperor Aurangzeb. The pungi was banned from being played in the royal residence because its still unpleasant sound, its sweet company sound, its dirty looks, its repeated noise, its still unpleasant sound. A barber belongs to a family of professional musicians decided to change the material of pungi, change the tonal quality of pungi, improve the tonal quality of pungi and use a better did for the pungi. So answer is either improve the tonal quality of pungi. Bismillah Khan belonged to a well-known family of musicians from Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal. Answer is there Bihar. The local Maharaj of Biharji temple gave young Bismillah Khan dash as a prize 2-meter woolen shawl, a laddu weight 1.25 kg, a big box of sweets or a silver medal, a laddu weight of 1.25 kg. Bismillah Khan got the highest civilian award in India called the dash Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhishan and Bharat Ratna. So answer is there Bharat Ratna. Okay. At the age dash Bismillah Khan accompanied his uncle to the Allahabad Music Conference 15, 14, 10 and 12. So answer is there 14. Bismillah Khan greeted the nation with the Sanai on 2nd October 1948, 15th August 1957, 26 January 1950 and 1st April 1948. Answer is there 15th August 1947. Russell Bucks Khan was the Sanai Nawaz of the Dash King's Court, Ratanapur, Dehradun, Dunanpur, Bhojpur and Banaras. So answer is there Banaras. Who was the father of Bismillah Khan? Ustad Fayaz Khan, Ali Baks, Russell Baks Khan and Pelgam Baks. Who told young Bismillah Khan, work hard and you shall make it? Ustad Fayaz Khan, Russell Baks Khan and Ala Baks. तो उस्ताद फैयाज खान. ठीक है. फिर बिस्मिल्ला खान मैटरनल अंकल Ali Baks played the Sahnai at the Vishnu temple in Dash, Ratnapur, Damrao, Bhojpur or Benares. So answer is there Benares. Bismillah Khan got the big break with the opening of the All India Radio in Benares, Kanpur, Lucknow and Dumrao. So answer Lucknow. Bismillah Khan got the big break with the opening of All India so Radio in Lucknow in 1938, 1940, 1937 and 1936. The answer is there 1938. Which rag did Bismillah Khan play on the Independence Day of India? Hindol, Bhairavi, Sri or Kafi? So Kafi. Bismillah Khan's first trip abroad was the France, Afghanistan, United States of America and Iraq. The answer is there Afghanistan. Film director Dash made a film on the Sahnai after hearing Bismillah Khan. Barun Bhatt, Vikrant Bhatt and Vijay Bhatt. So answer is there Vijay Bhatt. Khan Sahib was the first Indian to be invited to perform at Lincoln Center Hall of the United States of America, Paris and France, the United Kingdom or Berlin, Germany. So answer the United States of America. Bismillah Khan was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2000, 1999, 2001 and 2002. So 2001. Which of the following national awards was not conferred on Bismillah Khan? Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna and Paramvir Chakra. So answer is there Paramvir Chakra. The Tahar Mosque is Ustad Bismillah Khan Auditorium has been named after Khan Sahib in Dash, Baghdad, Kabul, Tehran or Itulba. So answer is there आपका Itulba. Okay. Poem from Bihai, lesson number 2, Wind. Poem, okay, Wind from the book of Bihai. Okay. What did the wind bring again? Rain, storm, hail or snow? तो आंसर क्या आएगा? Rain. The wind is clever at poking fun at heart, weaklings, raptors, houses. तो answer is there weakling. The wind god dash houses, doors, leaves and hearts. Okay. तो windows and curses, windows and cumbles, cumbles and curses and passes and blows out. So answer is there windows and curses. The wind blows out dash doors of the worms, strong fires, weak fires or weak hearts. So answer is there weak fires. The wind breaks strong fire dash window and crash, roar and flourish, tumble and flourish and steadfast and firm. So answer is there आपका roar and flourish. The poet requests the reader to make the heart dash flourish, roar, steadfast and firm. तो आपका आंसर आएगा आपका कौन सा? steadfast. The poet requests the reader to practice to form the dash boldly, doors, homes or parts. So answer is there boldly. The poet requests the readers, let's join the dash firmly. Fires, homes, windows, doors. So answer is there doors. Whose friendship is good according to the poet? Heart, rain, wind, fire, wind. What is meant by the rafters? Small wooden boat, log of wooden in the roof, a weak-hearted person to blow cough. तो इसमें आंसर आएगा द नो calf. What is mean by winnow? A boat paddle to destroy, overhead fan to blow shaft. तो answer is there to blow shaft. Okay. ये थे wind comes softly, figure of speech, simile, personification, apostrophe and tautology. तो answer is there apostrophe. Don't break the shutters of the window, litotes, apostrophe, simile. Answer simile. Don't throw down the book of the shelf, simile and syndicate, personification and eternal limb, apostrophe and litotes, litotes and personification. So answer is there apostrophe and litotes, apostrophe and litotes. You have tore the page of book, हाँ तो simile and syndicated, personification and internal name, apostrophe and syndicate, tautology and personification. तो आंसर इज देयर आपका apostrophe and syndicate. You are very clever at packing fun and weekly, litotes, apostrophe, internal rhyme and metaphor. तो आंसर इज देयर apostrophe. The wind god winnows and crushes them all, simile, tautology, apostrophe, personification. तो आंसर इज देयर personification. He won't do what you tell him, simile, tautology, personification, apostrophe. तो आंसर इज देयर personification. So come, let's build strong homes, let's join the doors firmly, simile, syndicate, litotes or internal rhyme. The answer is there syndicate. Make the heart steadfast, make the heart steadfast, simile, litotes, syndicate, internal rhyme. So answer is there syndicate. Do this and the wind will be friends with us, personification, apostrophe, simile, internal rhyme. तो आंसर इज देयर personification, personification. The wind blow out with fire, personification, apostrophe, internal rhyme and simile. तो आंसर also देयर personification. He makes strong fires roar and flourish, internal rhyme and personification. Okay, tautology and personification, personification and internal rhyme, and number 4 is there internal rhyme and tautology. तो आंसर इज देयर tautology and personification. His friendship is good, we praise him every day, simile, tautology, personification, apostrophe. Answer is there apostrophe. Okay. चलो अभी आप लोग को थोड़ा सा ही बाकी है बेटा, एक कर लो, करके छोड़ दो. यू हैव टू राइट इन योर नोटबुक ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके बेटा. चलो. हु लिव नेक्स्ट डोर टू केजियास हाउस? ए स्मिथ्स, मैकडोनल्ड्स, रोगार्स एंड ब्लूमसेड. कौन रहता था उसके बाजू में? तो मैकडोनल्ड्स. हु वॉज द कुक एट केजियास हाउस? एलाइस, मैयो, एलेन और मार्गो. तो एलाइस. Which nightmare always scared Kezia? A thief pointing a gun at her from close range. A butcher coming close with a dreadful smile and a gun. A thief coming with dreadful simile and hope. A butcher coming closer with a dreadful smile and hope. Answer is there. A butcher coming closer with a dreadful smile and hope. Okay. Who has penned the story? Ruskin Bond, Devar Chawle, Catherine Mansfield and Coates Kenny. So answer is there Catherine Mansfield. How many children did the McDonald's have? 2, 5, 3, 4. 5. 2, 5. So answer is there 5. To the little girl, her father was a figure to be jeered and avoided, feared and avoided, feared and respected and avoid. तो आंसर आएगा आपका feared and avoid. Kezia felt a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of her father's carriage enter. She said goodbye to her father. She saw her father turn away from the room and he came and gave a casual kiss. So number is there. She heard the noise of her father's carriage enter. When father looked at Kezia from over his spectacles, she felt uneasy, upset, terrified and tense. So answer is terrified. The father told the girl that her mother had to take her to the doctor if she lived, jeered, muttered and stuttered. So answer is there, stuttered. The little girl Kezia always thought that her father looked like a giant, Janome, जोकर एंड रोबोट. तो कौन सा आएगा आंसर आपका इसमें आंसर आएगा आपका जायंट. ऑन व्हिच डे डिड ग्रैंड मदर सेंड केजिया टू हैव ए नाइस टॉक विथ हर पेरेंट्स? सैटरडे आफ्टरनून, सैटरडे इवनिंग, संडे आफ्टरनून, संडे इवनिंग. तो आंसर इज देयर संडे इवनिंग. ओके. ऑन संडे आफ्टरनून व्हेन मदर रीड हर father dash stretched out of the sofa, kept his feet on one of the best cushion, snored and slept soundly. Figure of speech. Which figure of speech you will be find this poem? Okay, I will arise and go now and go to insist breathe. So there is answer is repetition. What is the why the repetition? The word go is repeated to poetic effect. That's why it is the from the figure of speech repetition. And a small cabin built there of clay and weightless made. So that is the from poem of the lake is Israel of Insistry. So answer is there anastrophe. Anastrophe. Why the anastrophe is there? Because there is an inversion in the construction of the sentence of poetic effect. That's why. That is the anastrophe. And you have to go 9 windows will I have there. I have a hive for the honey bee. So that is the alliteration. That is the alliteration. Okay. So alliteration. Why the alliteration is there? 9 windows I have there. I hive for the honeybee. Alliteration because the sound of the constant H. The sound of the constant H is repeated in the words have and hive. Have and hive. Their H is the repetition. That is the alliteration of the figure of speech. And live along in the bee, loud, glad. So onomatopoeia. The word be loud suggested the sound made by the bees. That's why. And alliteration also there because the sound of constant I and L. Though you should be omit the I, you have to write the L. The sound of constant L is repeated in the words live and loud. Okay, that's why alliteration. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow. So that is the figure of speech repetition. The word peace and repeated for the poetic effect of this sentence. That's why repetition. Okay. Now you have to go the dropping of the from the vales of the morning to where the cricket sings. So internal rhyme. Why? This is the figure of speech always effect of the poet. The mind of poet, what he thought. So figure of speech, 21 figure of speech you have to write, find out the figure of speech from the poem. This is the mind of the poet, and sentence are against of the others poem, others line and equal line or same line or other line, above line or below line. So totally figure of speech is dependent of the poem, not in the prose. You will find out in the poem. The internal rhyme, the rhyming was dropping and morning. You understood because up to 8th standard there are parts of speech, and this is the rhyming word, the dropping and morning. But in this poem there is figure of speech to onomatopoeia. The word is sings suggests sound, dropping and morning. Okay. Then you have to go now. There midnight all a glimmer and noon a purple glow. To alliteration. Alliteration. Why the alliteration is there? The sound of consonant G is repeated in the words glimmer and glow. Glimmer and glow. There's midnight's all a glimmer and noon is a purple glow. So both are G. Both are used in the poem. That's why this is the alliteration. The sound of consonant G is repeated in the words glimmer and glow. Metonymy, the words midnight's all a glimmer. So respect the starry skies. An evening full of the linnet's wing. The evening full of the linnet's wing. So metonymy, the words linnet's wings represent the flying of the linnet birds. This is contact with the linnet birds. Okay. I will arise and go now for always night and day. तो क्या आएगा? Antithesis. Antithesis. ठीक है, antithesis, antithesis. So the opposite word night and day are used in the same sentence for poetic effect. That's why that is the antithesis. And alliteration, the sound of consonant N is repeated in the words now and night. Now N is there, in night there is also N is ne. Then that's why alliteration, the same words are used. I hear the lake water lapping with the low sounds by the source. Alliteration. Why the alliteration is there? The sound of constant L and is repeated with the lake, lapping and low. Use letter L. Beginning of the words of lapping, low and lake. So that's why alliteration. And while I stand on the road or on the pavement's grey, I hear it in the deep earth's care. That is the figure of speech tautology. 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 The words roadways and pavement suggest the same meaning as path, but in the poem, different words are used, but meaning are same. That's why tautology. I hope you understand that. Then you have to find out the figure of speech. Who has penned the poem? At first, I want to say about the poem, then figure of speech we have to come again. Who has penned the poem The Lake is Ill of Innisfree? Court Skinney, Robert Frost, William Blake and Hoppy V. So answer is there, William Butler. What is Innisfree? Where is it located? It is an island of Ireland. It is an island of Northland. It is an island of Australia. It is an island of New Zealand. So its answer is there. It is an island of Ireland. What will the poet do at Innisfree? Stay in a tree house in the forest, build a hut and live in it, take pictures of wildlife, walk all along on the pavement. तो आपका आंसर आएगा इट इज एन build a hut and live in it. Build a hut and live in it. What will the poet have near his cabin in Innisfree? 5 windows and 2 honey beehives, 4 windows and a lake on the side, tall laburnum trees with beehives and 9 windows and a honey beehive. तो कौन सी आंसर आएगा आपका? What will the poet near there? तो आंसर इज देयर आपका walk on along of the pavements. Okay. What will the poet find at Innisfree? Peace, joy, satisfaction, hope. Answer is the joy. Answer is the joy. From where will the peace come from the poet in Innisfree? From the purple glow of the noon, from the glimmer of stars, from the song sung by the cricket, and from the dropping bells on the morning. So which one is coming there? Though you have to say, see आपका from the dropping bells in the morning. Okay. Then you have to go because figure of speech very important for your 9th standard. This started from 9th standard mainly. Which low sounds would the poet hear by the shore? Which low sounds would the poet hear by the shore? The song of cricket, the lapping of the lake water, the song of Lina, and the raindrops on the shingles. So answer is there, the lapping of the lake water. The lapping of the lake water. Even after the poet leaves Innisfree, he can hear dash in the core of his heart. So answer is the song of cricket, the lapping of the lake water, the song of linnet, the raindrops of shingles. The answer is there, the lapping of the lake water. William Butler Yeats is a or an dash poet. So answer is there, Scottish, American, Irish or English? Irish. Okay. Now you have to find out the figure of speech. I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree. Alliteration, repetition, lithotaste, antithesis. The answer is there, repetition. Okay. And a small cabin built there of clay and worthless made, anastrophe, lithotaste, anesthesis, automasperia. So answer is there, anesthesis. 9 beans row will I have there. I hive for the honey bee. Anastrophe, lithotaste, anesthesis, alliteration. Answer is there, alliteration. And live along in the bee loud glad. Anastrophe, lithotaste, anesthesis, ornamentis. So answer is there, ornamentis. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow. Alliteration, repetition, lithotaste and anesthesis. The answer is there, repetition. Dropping from the vales from the morning to where the cricket sings, onomatopoeia, anastrophe, lithotaste, anesthesis. The answer is there, onomatopoeia. There's midnight all a glimmer and noon a purple glow. Syndicoche, metonymy, apostrophe, anesthesis. So answer is there, metonymy. Answer is there, metonymy. And evening full of the linnet swings. Syndicho, metonymy, apostrophe, anesthesis. So syndicho. I will arise and go now for always night and day. Syndicoche, metaphor, apostrophe, anesthesis. The answer is anesthesis. I hear the lake water lapping with low sounds by the sand. Anastrophe, lithotaste, anesthesis, onomatopoeia. So answer is there, onomatopoeia. While I stand on the road away or on the pavement's grey, I hear it in the deep heart's core. Apostrophe, euphemism, tautology, lithotaste. Answer is tautology. So, okay, up to here. And next class, I will be explain the next. So, always remember, poet, that figure of speech affected only poem. It is depend on the mind of the poet. It is the meaning of the poem. It is the rhyming word. Each and everything defect of the figure of speech, effect of the poem only. Okay, not in prose. Okay.